Come on in.
Hi.
Come on. Welcome to my tent.
Look, fade.
Yeah. Hi. So we're going to demonstrate the spray tan. Kasha's going to step in. Now, this is the oil that we use to kind of adhere to the skin smoothie that will not let the tan get kind of funky in the bad areas. Give me your hands.
In the dry areas?
Yes.
The areas that tend to get dry on your skin?
Cuticles,
Cuticles,
elbows,
hands,
palms.
I want to get my crusty knuckles on this one.
her hardworking hands.
My hardworking Polish hands.
Hardworking Polish hands, nice. What is it that you're using, Jen?
It's called the Skin Smoothie from Fake Bake, other side. And you can get it to bring home. It has a really good moisturizing agent in it, so it does leave your skin supple. Go like this, make sure you don't touch anything. It's basically just an oil with different citrus and stuff in it. Just
Smells great.
smells great, leaves your skin really hydrated.
Oh, I miss the Scotch shake.
Oh, Kasha. Toes are always a good one to make sure you get, because... So after I'm done putting the oil on, you cannot touch any part of your body because the tan will not adhere in that area. Well, the bronzer won't, I should say. Don't get me bending down. Okay, so basically that is all you have to do to prepare for a tan. Now let's begin, and you'll see how quick this really goes. It is cold. And it has the instant bronzer in it, so not only does it look great when you leave, it's going to look really dark. It is our darkest formula, so it's really dark, but it does help me to know where
Voila.
And look at the tan line.
Wow.
So you can see that it has the instant bronzer.
So everybody usually thinks I'm already tan. How much more tanner can I get? And
This is how much tanner she can get.
how much tanner?
But the bronzer
pretty
is the
amazing.
darkest. So this is not as dark as you're going to look after you tan. So,
So the bronzer rinses off.
yes, the
in your
bronzer
first
rinses
shower.
off after a shower. And then you're left with basically, well, I'm
Turn around, Kasha. Move her little string there. It's amazing.
Yeah, look at
That looks
instant,
great.
instant, beautiful.
Instant, golden, beautiful,
no orange.
bronze goddess. No orange. Job well done, ladies.
Yeah, doesn't she look 10 pounds lighter already?
No. She was pretty fat when she started,
Yeah.
so that was a problem.
Yeah.
Well, good. A closing statement, girls, before we post this and see what kind of response we get?
We would just like to invite everybody and anybody who's interested to come. Again, our number is 773-229-8000.
Who doesn't want to look and feel great in this time of gloomy winter air? So,
Especially
Spring
in
is coming
Chicago.
in
Yes.
6 weeks. So let's get ready.
Thanks
Yeah.
for watching our video clip. Hope you enjoy it, and
we'll see you soon.
see you soon. Bye.
Bye.